Good afternoon. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, AMD buys AI startup Celo AI for $665 million. Nokia manufacturer HMD might launch its first smartphone in India this month. Western Digital's fast, powerful 8 TB desktop SSD now available in India to help creators unlock the potential of their digital content. WhatsApp voice message transcription rolling out to Android. Microsoft Surface Copilot Plus PCs now available in India. See pricing and features. Photo sharing startup Retro Sports Google Photos copying its idea and design. Samsung chief hints at upgraded Bixby launching later this year and more. AMD will acquire Finnish artificial intelligence startup Celo AI for about $665 million in cash. The acquisition aims to enhance AMD's AI chip capabilities and compete against industry leader Nvidia. Celo AI specializes in end-to-end AI-driven solutions, helping customers integrate AI into their products and services. The acquisition will strengthen AMD's software development capabilities and improve the development and deployment of AMD-powered AI models. While the deal will not impact AMD's financial performance immediately, it is expected to unlock significant business opportunities in the future. Celo AI's CEO and co-founder Peter Sarlin will continue to lead the unit as part of the AMD Artificial Intelligence Group. This acquisition is part of AMD's broader strategy to expand its footprint in the AI landscape, following previous acquisitions of AI software firms Mipsology and Node.ai. HMD, the manufacturer behind Nokia phones, is preparing to launch its first ever smartphone in India, potentially this month. Initially referred to as the Arrow, the device will debut under a different name due to legal constraints. The new smartphone may feature 5G support, enhanced camera capabilities, upgraded specifications, and a new chipset. It is expected to be priced competitively, possibly under Rs 20,000, targeting popular models like the CMF Phone 1, Moto G85 5G, Lava Blaze X, and OnePlus Nord C4 Lite. The launch aims to make a strong entry into the Indian market, leveraging HMD's reputation and the nostalgia associated with Nokia. The phone will compete in the mid-range segment, appealing to a wide audience seeking value for money. Next, we have Western Digital's fast, powerful 8 TB desktop SSD now available in India to help creators unlock the potential of their digital content. Western Digital has launched its highest capacity external desktop solid state drive SSD, the SanDisk Desk Drive in India, available in 4 TB and 8 TB capacities. The drive is designed for content creators and business professionals. The SSD offers read speed up to 1000 MBs, significantly faster than traditional desktop HDDs. The device is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, formatted with XFAT, and includes a USB Type-C cable. Key features include backup capabilities with Apple Time Machine and Acronis, True Image for Western Digital backup software, and a compact modern design. The 4 TB SanDisk Desk Drive is priced at Rs 39,999 and the 8 TB version at Rs 72,999. Both models are available for purchase at the Western Digital Store and authorized retailers. WhatsApp is rolling out voice message transcriptions to its Android beta app, now available in version 2.24.15.5. The feature was previously introduced to iOS users in May. Currently supported languages include English, Spanish, Portuguese, Brazil, Russian, and Hindi, with more languages to be added soon. Users who opt in to the new feature will need to download an additional data package. All message transcripts are generated on device, ensuring privacy and efficiency. Microsoft has introduced the highly anticipated Surface Copilot Plus PCs in India, marking a significant entry into the market with pre-orders starting today. These devices are part of the latest Surface Laptop and Surface Pro models, designed to enhance productivity and creativity for users. The new Surface Copilot Plus PCs are priced starting at Rs 1,13,900, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus processors. These devices promise snappy responsiveness and impressive battery life. Integrated neural processing units and NPUs deliver 45 trillion operations per second, fueling advanced AI experiences. Co-creator, an AI design partner that transforms creative visions into reality using simple text prompts, seamlessly integrating with apps like Paint. Next, Retro, a popular photo sharing app, has noticed a new Google Photos feature called My Week that closely resembles its own app design and functionality. Retro's co founder and CTO Ryan Olson highlighted this similarity on X, formerly Twitter, with a post suggesting Google Photos had copied Retro's idea. The feature allows users to take photos to document their days, showcased in a week by week format. Users can invite friends to view their weekly memories, similar to Retro's functionality. An APK teardown by Android authorities suggests that the public rollout of the My Week feature could be imminent. The feature includes a setup wizard allowing users to select photos from their week to share, which will be displayed in the memories carousel of Google Photos. At last, Samsung is set to launch an upgraded version of its AI-powered personal assistant Bixby later this year. The announcement was made at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event where new Galaxy devices and Galaxy AI capabilities were introduced. The new Bixby will incorporate generative AI features, enabling voice and text-based human-like conversation capabilities. It will be able to understand and respond to queries with proper context and interact with other apps on Samsung phones. Bixby was first announced in 2017 with the Galaxy S8 series but failed to gain significant traction compared to competitors like Google Assistant. The upcoming upgrade aims to revitalize Bixby's capabilities and position it as a competitive AI assistant in the market. This is Harshit Mathur signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your tech updates.